In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best satellite finders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the satellite finders mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, GTMEDIA V8 Finder 2, High-Def Satellite Finder Meter. The GTMEDIA V8 Finder 2 is a must-have for satellite TV enthusiasts and professionals. It features loop search, constellation, and spectrum analyzers for accurate signal detection. The device automatically calculates AZ and EL angles for precise satellite alignment. Equipped with a 7.4 V/4000 mAh Li-ion battery, it ensures extended usage. Fast charging via a Type-C interface adds convenience. Compact and reliable, it's an excellent tool for efficient satellite installation and troubleshooting. Number 4, Satlink WS6933 DVB S2 FTA Digital Satellite Finder. The Satlink WS6933 is a compact and efficient satellite finder ideal for enthusiasts. It features a 2.1-inch LCD screen for easy signal reading and an input frequency range of 950–2150 MHz. With the ability to measure signal strength, quality, BR, and PWR, it ensures accurate satellite alignment. The built-in sound alert helps lock onto signals effortlessly. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's a valuable tool for quick and precise dish adjustments. Number 3, Satlink ST5150 All-in-One Satellite Finder Meter. The Satlink ST5150 is an advanced satellite finder designed for professionals and enthusiasts. It supports DVB-S2, DVB-C, and DVB-T2 standards with high-definition MPEG, 4H.265 HEVC compatibility. Featuring QPSK, 8PSK, and 16 APSK modulation support, it delivers precise signal readings. The 4.3-inch TF display ensures clear visuals for signal tracking. Reliable and versatile, it's perfect for setting up satellite systems with high accuracy and efficiency. Number 2, GTMEDIA V9 Prime HD DVB S2X/S2/STV Receiver. The GTMEDIA V9 Prime is a high-definition satellite TV receiver perfect for South America. It supports automatic roll BSS, PowerView, DRE, and BSS key functions. Equipped with a built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi module, Ethernet, and 3G/4G USB dongle support, it offers seamless connectivity. The receiver also supports online movies, web TV, stream, and stalker services. With SAT2 IP support via GTShare APK and DLNA compatibility, it's an excellent choice for premium satellite TV viewing. Number 1, SANKYSAT DVB-SX5 Full HD Satellite TV Receiver. The SANKYSAT DVB-SX5 is a premium Full HD satellite TV receiver with a powerful DVB-S2/MPEG-4 decoder. It supports up to 5,000 channels, ensuring a vast selection of entertainment. The 8-bit color on-screen display enhances viewing quality with vibrant visuals. Equipped with a USB 2.0 port, it allows multimedia playback and software upgrades. Designed for an immersive satellite TV experience, it's a great addition to any home entertainment setup.